Hey creators, so if you are looking to expand your income as a social media affiliate, then you might want to keep watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you guys a completely new affiliate platform that literally no one is talking about. You guys are going to be the first to know about this platform. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free content. If you are someone that is looking to grow as a creator and also as an entrepreneur, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will never miss any of the free gems that I release every Saturday. So my goal for this channel is to turn you into a paid creator. So I'm gonna be feeding you as much knowledge as possible, and of course I'm gonna be doing it for free. Why would you not subscribe? So this might be news, but Shopify has just released a brand new affiliate program. It's called Shopify Collabs, and the only reason I found out about this program is because a lot of the brands that I'm working with currently, they are switching over to using Shopify Collabs. And just to be more specific, Dolls Kill was actually the first brand to switch over to this platform. So this platform is literally Shopify for creators. Insane, right? So this platform was created for creators like us to easily book partnerships with brands. So as you guys know, as an affiliate, you are able to promote products and gain a commission from the products that you are promoting. On this platform, you are able to earn commissions. You're able to apply to samples, which are known as gifts, and you're also able to generate personal discount codes. And the thing I love most about this platform is that everything is done in one place, literally down to receiving the payments from the brands, which is going to be done via a PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to quickly walk you guys through the sign up join process, which is literally a breeze. Let's do this. The sign up, as you guys can see, is super easy, super fast. You are simply going to hit the join Shopify Collabs tab. Then you are going to verify your account. After you verify your account, the only thing you have to do is to connect your social media handles, and also you want to go ahead and input your payment information, which is going to be your PayPal email. Before I get into more information about this program, I know you guys are probably wondering what are the requirements to join this program, and it's super simple. You just have to have 1,000 followers, and you must be located in the United States, Canada, and also the UK. Okay, so now I'm going to switch back over to screen recording just to show you guys a little more details about this platform. So as you guys can see, there is a discovery page here. The discovery page is where you're going to locate the brands that you're going to partner with. So far, these brands, I've seen them offer up to 25%. There might be more. I didn't really take a lot of time to go in depth on the platform and look at the brand, but so far the most I've seen was 25% commission, which is really high. Again, if you join Amazon, I always compare to Amazon because Amazon is like the most popular affiliate program, but their pay is absolutely horrible. So as you guys can see here, you are able to get up to 25% in commissions. And as I'm showing here, you guys can see the different type of products they have. They literally have products in every category, whether it's shoes, jewelry, clothing, skincare, hair, makeup, bags, literally you name it. All of these are on this platform, and there are so many different brands that you can choose from. There are a few further details about the Shopify Collab program. For this program, you're only allowed to apply to 10 different brand collaborations each week. So you can't go over 10, and then they always reset every Monday. Like the brands that I'm working with on TikTok, like the brand that generated me $14,000 the first month I signed up for TikTok affiliate, they are on Shopify Collabs. So instead of limiting myself to just making money on TikTok with that viral product that I keep using, which is the streaming device for the Jeep, because my Jeep is a very viral Jeep. So I don't want to limit myself to just making affiliate commissions from TikTok. So that's why I went ahead and I signed up for this program. Now I have it linked in my bio. So if I'm not on TikTok and I'm posting it on Instagram, then it's linked in my bio. The same thing goes for Facebook or Snapchat or wherever other platform I'm posting on, because you got to remember, not everybody is on TikTok. So me personally, I like to be able to reach people all over. So having this as an extra way to generate money from commissions from a product that I know is already viral is literally a no-brainer for me. So that's why I'm super happy about this program. I love that you're able to apply to samples and get gifts literally for free to create content, just like TikTok's affiliate program. You guys know I really love affiliate programs, especially the ones where you're able to get free products to promote. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys feel about this program. Are you gonna be signing up or not? Do you guys think it's worth it or not? Let me know in the comments. Let's have a discussion. So that is literally gonna be it for today's video. I wanted to be one of the first creators to come on here and talk to you guys about this program. I do think affiliate marketing is literally gonna take over in 2024. As you guys can see, there are always more affiliate program platforms, websites coming out. So definitely stay ahead of the game. Get on this platform, sign up, make your account, hook up your payment, hook up your social media, and you are literally lit, you guys. As you guys can see, this video is super short and sweet. I just want to get straight to the point. I want you guys to be able to, again, generate as much income as you can as a creator. So when I find out about a new program, a new platform, website, whatever it is, I'm running on here and I'm telling you guys because I know the potential of money that you're able to make as an affiliate. So yeah, definitely go ahead and sign up, or let me know in the comments if you're gonna be signing up, because I'm pretty interested to see you guys take on this new affiliate program. So that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.